Hello, salom, good morning, xayrli tong, good evening, xayrli kech, good night, xayrli tun. How are you? Qalaysan? I'm fine, yaxshiman, thank you, rahmat, you are welcome, arzimaydi. Yes, ha, no, yo'q, maybe, balki, of course, albatta. Work, ish, money, pul, time, vaqt, life, hayot. Hungry, och, thirsty, chanqagan, tired, charchagan, sleepy, uyqusi kelgan. Beautiful, chiroyli, expensive, qimmat, cheap, arzon, important, muhim. Go, bor, come, kel, wait, kut, stop, to'xta. Open, och, close, yop, start, boshlamoq, finish, tugatmoq. Fast, tez, slow, sekin, easy, oson, difficult, qiyin. Buy, sotib olmoq, sell, sotmoq, pay, to'lamoq, save, tejamoq. Friendly, do'st, family, oila, brother, aka-uka, sister, opa-singil. Big, katta, small, kichik, long, uzun, short, qisqa. Happy, baxtli, sad, xafa, angry, jahli chiqqan, excited, hayajonlangan. Today, bugun, tomorrow, ertaga, yesterday, kecha, now, hozir. Always, har doim, often, tez-tez, sometimes, ba'zan, never, hech qachon. Home, uy, school, maktab, workplace, ish joyi, market, bozor. Hot, issiq, cold, sovuq, warm, iliq, cold, salqin. Strong, kuchli, weak, zaif, rich, boy, poor, kambag'al. Good luck, omad, take care, o'zingni ehtiyot qil, see you, ko'rishamiz. I don't understand, tushunmadim, please repeat, iltimos qaytaring, speak slowly, sekinroq gapiring. Can I help you? Yordam bera olamanmi? How much is it? Bu necha pul? Where are you from? Qayerdansan?